What's going on, team? Just going to do a quick little recap on the day. I wanted to remind you guys that Google and Microsoft report earnings after market hours. I wanted to ask you if you guys want me to host that live stream. I can host it for free on the YouTube channel. I just want to make sure enough people show up. So if you want me to host that live stream to see how the market reacts to both Microsoft and Google's earnings today after the market closes, all you have to do is drop a thumbs up. If this video gets over 1,000 likes, then I'll be more than happy to host that live stream. Make sure that if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, turn on your little post notifications. And the reason I say that is if not, you will miss out the notification of when it is that I actually go live. So just a little heads up on that. Quick little overall recap on the day. So I've already reduced my position size a little bit during today's live trading session with my Learn Plan Profit team. We just began to experience that slight resistance as we were approaching $49 a share, but even leading up to it, we're kind of struggling to break above this like 48.60, 48.70 general range. So as soon as we began to break above, I did not hesitate to reduce my position size at least just a little bit. So as of now, so far on the day, $25,000. The more we begin to trade sideways, the more I'm inclined to even reduce this position size even more. If we break below the moving average, as you guys can see here at right around $48 a share, I'm just going to completely close out my position on SQQQ. For those that are unaware of what SQQQ is a triple leverage inverse ETF. It's a bear ETF, meaning that when the market goes down, this ETF goes up. So if you've ever wondered how can you make money when the markets are dropping, then this is what I choose to trade. It is triple leverage, so understand that that does come at a different layer or does come at a greater form of risk. So if you're an absolute beginner and or if you suck at risk management, I say this in a very respectful way. I don't think that this would be in your best interest to potentially trade. I want you to also understand my intention. This was a big question that a lot of our Learn Plan Profit traders were asking me is what's my intention with SQQQ? What's my plan after the earnings that's set to be released tonight? After the market closes. And also we have the Federal Reserve meeting. I want to make sure that you guys were aware of this. The Federal Reserve meeting tomorrow, they're going to be talking about how much they're going to be raising interest rates. And that's going to be at 2 p.m. Again, we'll follow up tomorrow to see if we're going to host that live stream on the channel. But with everything that's going to be released, right? Google and Microsoft, huge tech giants, both in trillion-dollar market caps. They announced earnings today. We have Meta, which is Facebook, right? That reports earnings tomorrow. And then we have Apple and Amazon that report earnings on Thursday. We have the Federal Reserve meeting with raising interest rates tomorrow. It is a huge week. The next 3 days are going to be so crucial. I really think that today is going to set the tone for this earnings. I don't know if you guys have seen Google's expectation for how they're going to be reporting earnings for Q2. In my opinion, it doesn't look really good. Expectation is already higher than what it was last year based off of its previous quarter. Obviously, they set higher expectation, but obviously businesses have been less inclined to advertise through Google through that issue that Apple has put in place in restricting advertisers to be able to collect cash data on their users. So with that being said, I think that Google is going to miss earnings, which is why I've taken a short position on the market. I could be completely wrong, but again, I'm very excited to follow up and to see which way we end up going. One thing that I quickly wanted to bring up is that if you guys look at this on the 4-hour time frame, we are testing the moving average as a support. And then on the 1-hour time frame, we're testing the moving average as a support. So we're really, really close to that support at that moving average. This is why I'm getting kind of hesitant with my SQQQ position. My intention long-term is still to invest long-term on Amazon, Apple, and Tesla. And with that being said, right now I'm shorting the market. So although I'm shorting the market, I'm going to be very quick to close out my SQQQ position and to transition back into adding more into those long-term plays. I just want you to understand where my main focus is. My main focus is definitely my long-term plays. I'm just choosing to short the market as the market is just pulling back just a little bit. So wanted to update you guys on my trades, wanted to make you guys aware of, again, the different companies that are going to be reporting earnings today after the market closes. And of course, the Federal Reserve meeting that's set to be tomorrow at 2 p.m. If you have any questions that you would like to ask me, I hope that you know that I respond to all of my direct messages via Discord, and that's that first link in the description. So if you've tried to Google something, but you're an absolute beginner and you can't get your question answered, please, all you literally have to do is send me a direct message. Yes, it is for free. First link down below. If you're going to ask what indicators I use, what platform I use, how can you get started, free ways on how to start, send me a direct message via Discord, and that's that first link down below. Friendly reminder, you heard me talk about them in this video. It's my Learn, Plan, Profit group. They're the only group that get to watch me trade live every single day at market open. If you want the ability to watch me trade live because you're tired of missing out and you want to work with me on a closer basis, the only team that I work with is my Learn, Plan, Profit group. So if you want to learn more about this group and to see if it's a good fit for you, then that's going to be that second link down below, and hopefully I'll see you in tomorrow's live trading session. Make sure you drop a thumbs up on this video. Make sure that you set your alarms for when the market opens. For when the market closes for our live session if this video gets over 1,000 likes. And the last thing that I want to share is if you're part of our Learn, Plan, Profit group already, we sent an email out for your free mouse pads. So make sure you check out your email. We sent out a promo code so you can redeem your free mouse pad off of the shoptechbuds.com website. And that's that fourth link down below. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.